We're out in the woods in southern Oregon, in a nice Doug fir forest. We're going to do some experiments here where we load up some installed tree fasteners and find if they come back to their zero reference after we put modest loads on them. This is important because it tells us if it's crushing into the tree, if it's going to be able to sustain that load. So let's go ahead and load this one up. Our dial indicator is zeroed, and we can keep going. We are moving, we've moved at 30 thousandths. We can keep going a little. We'll go 50,000. What's the load? 4,000 times 575 factor. Okay, let's let it off and see if it comes back to its zero position. And it does indeed. So no permanent deflection has occurred, and that's about 8,000 pounds pushing at this point. That's a good starting point. Now we'll duplicate that test again with maybe a little more load. Okay, a little bit more. And we've gone 50 thousandths of live deflection. Now we're going to let it off at the reading of 4,400 psi with a 575 psi per 1,000 pounds. So we're about 8,000 pounds, a little more. We'll let it off. And that time we achieved a permanent set of 2 thousandths of an inch. So we're starting to get into the working zone of the fastener. We could go as much as 30 thousandths of an inch permanent deflection, and that would be, well, 15 times where we are now, and that's an unlikely load to place on a single fastener. We're going to repeat this on some other types of